Introduction to Python for Data Science. Welcome to Analytics Campus. This is Dr. Mike. Today, I will be discussing and illustrating the importance of Python programming for data science. Getting started with Python. Python has been around since grunge music hit the mainstream and dominated the airways. The foundation for Python was laid in the late 1980s, but the code was only published in 1991 by its founder, Guido van Rossum. The primary aim then was to automate repetitive tasks, to rapidly prototype applications, and to implement them in other languages. It was founded by, over the years, some programming languages have come and gone, but Python has been growing, evolving, and gaining new strengths. Python is a programmer darling for plenty of reasons. The language is high level, easy to read and work with, relatively simple to learn, highly versatile, supports multiple systems and platforms, and popular enough that there's a great community and plenty of resources available. The massive open source community that has grown around Python drives it forward with a number of tools that help coders work with it efficiently. In recent years, more tools have been developed specifically for data science, making it easier than ever to analyze data with Python. And if you needed one more reason to consider starting Python for beginners, it plays an important role in lucrative data careers as well. It can be easily leveraged for a variety of purposes, from scientific modeling to advanced gaming. Learning Python for data science or data analysis will give you a variety of useful skills. In fact, it's one of the fastest growing programming languages in the world. As a high-level programming language, Python is widely used in mobile app development, web development, software development, and in the analysis and computing of numeric and scientific data. Popular websites like Dropbox, Google, Instagram, Spotify, and YouTube were all built with this powerful programming language. Is Python good for data science? Absolutely. In the rest of this video, we'll cover how Python is used in data science, how to learn Python for data science, and more. What is Python? It's a relatively simple programming language to learn and utilize because the code is clean and easy to comprehend, so it's not surprising that most programmers are familiar with. Why should you learn Python for data science? Since its early days as a utility language, Python has grown to become a major force in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data and analytics. However, while other programming languages like R and SQL are also highly efficient to use in the field of data science, Python has become the go-to language for data scientists. If you learn Python for data science or another career, it can open a lot of doors for you and improve your career opportunities. Even if you don't work in AI, ML, or data analytics, Python is still vital to web development and the development of graphical user interfaces. A major reason why Python is used for data science is the fact that it is proven time and again to be capable of solving complex problems efficiently. With the help of data-focused libraries, anyone familiar with Python's rules and syntax can quickly deploy it as a robust tool to process, manipulate, and visualize data. Whenever you get stuck, it's also relatively easy to solve Python-related problems because of the sheer amount of documentation that's freely available. Python's appeal has also extended beyond software engineering to those working in non-technical fields. It makes data analysis attainable for those coming from backgrounds like business and marketing. Most data scientists won't ever have to deal with things like cryptography or memory leaks, so as long as you can write clean, logical code in Python, you'll be on your way to conducting some data analytics. What are basic data structures? We can't talk about how to learn Python for data science without going over some of the underlying data structures that are available. These can be described as a method of organizing and storing data in a way that's easily accessible and modifiable. Some of the data structures that are already built in include dictionaries, lists, sets, strings, tuples. Lists, strings, and tuples are ordered sequences of objects. Both lists and tuples are like arrays in C++ and can contain any type of object, but strings can only contain characters. Lists are heterogeneous containers for items, but lists are mutable and can be reduced or extended as needed. A dictionary in Python holds key-value pairs, but you're not allowed to use an unhashable item as a key. The primary difference between a dictionary and a set is the fact that it holds key-value pairs instead of single value. Dictionaries are enclosed in curly brackets, D equals A1, B2. Lists are enclosed in square brackets, L equals 1, 2, A. Sets are also enclosed in curly brackets, S equals 1, 2, 3. Tuples are enclosed in parentheses, T equals 1, 2, A. All of the above have their own sets of advantages and disadvantages, so you have to know where to use them to get the best results. Overview of Python libraries. Matplotlib. Matplotlib can be described as a Python module that's useful for data visualization. For example, you can quickly generate line graphs, histograms, pie charts, and much more with Matplotlib. Further, you can also customize every aspect of a figure. NumPy. NumPy, short for numerical Python, is an extension module that offers fast precompiled functions for numerical routines. As a result, it becomes much easier to work with large multidimensional arrays and matrices. SciPy. SciPy is a Python module for linear algebra, integration, optimization, statistics, and other frequently used tasks in data science. It's highly user-friendly and provides for fast and convenient n-dimensional array manipulation. Pandas. Pandas is a Python package that contains high-level data structures and tools that are perfect for data wrangling and data munging. They are designed to enable fast and seamless data analysis, data manipulation, aggregation, and visualization. PyTorch. PyTorch, based on Torch, is an open-source machine learning library that was primarily built for Facebook's artificial intelligence research group. While it's a great tool for natural language processing and deep learning, it can also be leveraged effectively for data science. Seaborn. Seaborn is highly focused on the visualization of statistical models and essentially treats Matplotlib as a core library. Whether you're trying to create heat maps, statistically meaningful plots, or aesthetically pleasing plots, Seaborn does it all by default. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a module focused on machine learning that's built on top of SciPy. The library provides a common set of machine learning algorithms through its consistent interface and helps users quickly implement popular algorithms on datasets. It also has all the standard tools for common ML tasks like classification, clustering, and regression. PySpark. PySpark enables data scientists to leverage Apache Spark and Python to interface with resilient distributed datasets. A popular library integrated within PySpark is py4j, which allows Python to interface dynamically with JVM objects. TensorFlow. If you're going to use data flow programming across a range of tasks, TensorFlow is the open source library to work with. It's a symbolic math library that's popular in machine learning applications like neural networks. In subsequent videos, I will demonstrate and teach basic Python codes and show how we can use Python for data science and machine learning. And there you have it. If you enjoyed my teaching, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Check out other Analytics Campus tutorials and illustrations.